In today's experiment, I have created this particular book on the table. Today I tried rendering the image from my project, and I will show you the final render, or you can say the DSLR type picture in the end as a result which came out of this project. And about this activity, this is the very first paragraph or stanza of the first chapter in that particular textbook of class 9, and you can see the texture of this book must look real, and that was my goal. And accordingly, today I have learned few more aspects about the UV editing, and I have implemented that particular aspects in a very appropriate way. With time, over time, I slowly learned the actual usage of that particular editing, or you can say the feature. And the final render, as you can see, these are the DSLR type images which are taken by the computer itself, or you can say the very application itself. As you can see, the realistic feel and the touch of this particular shot, I love each and every frame of it. So I hope you like it as well. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching, guys.